I really haven't liked any of Cadillac's recent offerings other than the Escalade because Cadillac had tried to go sporty and they're trying to make sort of European-esque sports cars rather than old school luxury sedans like that ended with the DTS when I was a salesman at the Cadillac dealership, old DeVilles, Sevilles, that kind of thing. But I do feel like this LYRIQ is a return to form because the ride is so darn nice. I do think it looks really good. Even though it is a crossover, it's lower, so it's almost wagon-esque to me. I like the light bar here in the rear, in the back. The ride's incredible. The seat comfort is just out of this world, and it has tech the right way. I have options as far as not having to go through a screen. I could if I wanted to with a touch screen, but I have the knobs down here and I have physical buttons everywhere. Heated and cooled seats, autopilot that works. I don't have to wait for months. All kinds of nice options that the Cybertruck doesn't have, and for a small fraction of the price. Not only because this is way cheaper new MSRP, but also in depreciation. Now, things that I do give up is the acceleration, 0 to 60 on these at the fastest 4.5 seconds. The Cybertruck a second faster, and range is a little bit less. I think on the Cybertruck is 340. These are about 320. Still plenty. Now, this is an all-new platform for GM as far as their big electric architecture, as far as their push into the future, and it's sort of modular with the motors and the battery packs to where upkeep should be pretty simple, similar to Tesla. Really, this is the first thing that I feel like from the big three that is able to go after Tesla in a meaningful way and be competitive, but it's not without its quirks. Like I said, it's more comfortable, it's better equipped, it's easier to drive, and I bought it for less than what I expect the Cybertruck to depreciate in the next 6 months. So we'll check back in later and see, well, was I right on Cybertrucks? Was I not? I feel like I am. And while I did have fun with the Cybertruck, I do not regret my decision one bit.